Okay, so a friend of mine and I have been doing some investigation into the 8 note major scale, the 6 diminished scale, right? And we had this question: what happens if you take every combination of 4 notes? So this 1, 2, 3, 4. What about, let me see, you know, all of them and sequence them, and uh, how many distinct shapes will you get? For example, this will happen again. That's the same shape. That's the same shape. Or like this. Those are both the same shape intervallically. Or like, or sorry, let me see. That's what I meant to do. That happens more than once also. So, how many distinct shapes are there? And we found that there are 38 total. There are 13, yes, 13 that only appear once. There are 19 that appear twice in 2 places. Like, for example, a major 7, that appears only twice. Uh, yeah, anyway. And then there is one chord that appears 4 times. Um, so I was wondering, my question is, do you know of any way to uh, name all these? Do you know of anybody who has given labels for all 38 of these distinct shapes that appear in the major scale? There's so many, Obviously, we have some names for some of them that we use pretty often. Sometimes they have 2 names. Like, that has 2 names. Half diminished, but it's also called minor 6. Or, we call that the diminished. So, but there's lots of other shapes that maybe we don't have um, standardized names for. So I am wondering if you or anybody else, anybody watching this, if you know of a list of names for all of the 38 distinct shapes that appear in the 6 diminished scale.